Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you the basic smoky eye makeup with a hint of blue shimmer. It's so easy to recreate, so let's get started. This brush is from Wet n Wild Cosmetics. Taking this light brown shade from Morphe X Jaclynhill palette. I started off by applying the shade to my crease area on the other eye. As you can see here, I am using shade gradually and blending the shade to make it look softer. Taking this little bit darker brown one and creating more depth to my crease. By this method, it will look more blended and smoky as well. Same on the other eye. Taking this black shade and adding it to my crease for a more detailed crease and dragging it to my lid. It will look softer. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. Taking the shade from You Can Be's Spotlight palette. Applying all over my lid. Same on the other eye. And again taking this brush and brown shade and blending all shades together so it won't look harsh on your crease. This mascara is from RIMMEL Cosmetics. Applying on my lashes. This short smudger brush is from MORPHE Brushes. Taking this brown shade. Smoking out my lower lash line. Taking this black shade and using under my lower lash line. Taking this brush from BH Cosmetics and this highlighting shade, applying to my brow bone and inner corner as well. So this is the final look. I hope you all like it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.